Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Airtable SSO from Google step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google admin console at admin.google.com. Sign in with your administrator account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section from the dashboard. Click on Apps to expand the menu options. Next, select Web and Mobile Apps from the list. You will see a list of applications integrated with your Google account. Find and click on Airtable from this list. On the Airtable settings page, look for the Sign In Settings section. In this section, locate the option for Single Sign-On or SSO. Click on the Remove or Delete button next to the SSO option. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to remove SSO. Confirm the action to uninstall the SSO feature. After that, return to the Apps menu and select SAML Apps. Look for Airtable again in the list of SAML apps. Click on Airtable and then select the Remove option at the top of the page. Confirm the removal when prompted to do so. Once completed, SSO for Airtable will no longer be active in your Google account. To finalize the process, consider checking your Airtable account settings to ensure SSO settings are removed. You have now successfully uninstalled Airtable SSO from Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.